Hi, welcome to Mennonite Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and if you're new to my channel, I do cooking and baking from scratch, canning and dehydrating videos. And if that sort of thing interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this video, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow, and I sure do appreciate it. We're taking the Hawaiian rolls that I made in a previous video and showing you how to make ham and cheese sliders. Great for any get-together, and you need to make several sandwiches at the same time, but don't have the time to make each individual one. All right, to get started, I pre-cut my slider rolls with a serrated bread knife, and we're going to peel our garlic and get that added to our melting butter on the stove, and we're gonna let the garlic and butter steep for about 10 minutes to make sure that garlic flavor gets infused, because we all know I love garlic. All right, I'm just gonna use my garlic peeler so I don't feel like struggling. All right. I love this gadget. No worries. Then we're gonna mince it up. If I can find my mincer. Hiding. Then we're just going to press the garlic into the butter. And I think I have the garlic pressed backwards. I always put it backwards. So you guys think I'm amazing at everything. I can't put garlic pressed back together to save my life. All right, it goes this way. So we're gonna let that cook 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna make garlic butter, yum yum. And I'm gonna add some garlic seasoning. I love just adding this to dip. That's how much I love making stuff with garlic in it. Let's go with a teaspoon of this. Then for our condiments on our buns, we're gonna do a half a cup of Dijon mustard and a quarter cup of raw honey. And I don't measure that just because it's a pain. I'm just afraid I'm gonna waste more honey than it's worth. All right. Then we're gonna spread our Dijon mustard and hopefully knock down the cracks. This is great for all social gatherings that you need a hot dish for. All right. And I'm just using the rolls that I made in my previous video of Hawaiian rolls. But these rolls have freshly milled wheat from my husband's wheat field. That might be the only difference. And so we're gonna take a whole bunch of ham and fold it across here. And you want to make sure it's folded somewhat to give it some volume. We're going to add provolone because it's a good melty cheese. Maybe we can make it stretch. There you go, waste not, want not. That's what my mom always says. All right. I think I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese just because my husband loves cheese. And who am I? I love cheese too. And I prefer use cheese that's off the block because it doesn't have the anti-caking agents that can't be any good for you. Now we're gonna add some sweet onion jam. Because I think it'd be fabulous. And it's easier than taking the time to caramelize some onions. That would also be amazing on this. All right. Oh my. That's a feast. Then we're gonna add another layer of ham. And this is a great use of leftover ham from your Easter gathering. And you just don't want to eat another slice of ham by itself. Since the Hawaiian rolls are amazing, you know this is going to be a good meal. All right. So then we're going to put our top on our Then we're going to pour our butter over the top of these buns, slowly. Then we're going to cover with foil. Most directions for sliders will tell you 350 for 20 minutes, but I found mine were still cold in the middle. So use your own judgment and bake for as long as you need. All right, where's the smell-o-vision? We're gonna let these cool a little bit. Then when husband comes in for lunch, we'll get to eat and let you know how good these are.
For not leaking today?
Nope. Don't put the whole jar in. Because we're not going to eat the whole jar.
I always put the whole jar. That.
There's sweet onion jam in it. There's honey Dijon mustard, as in honey and Dijon, cheese and ham, and garlic butter.
Where are they going to find the sweet onion jam?
And a video this summer.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Or if they don't have it themselves already.
Amen.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you try a bite?
Very good. Never had nothing like it.
Thank you so very much for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on each video. May I suggest watching this next? Until next time, take care and God bless.